All right, so here we are at the Brookfield Zoo. We're about to get a tour, as well as to actually talk to the IT professionals and find out why they like working here.
Brookfield Zoo is about a 216-acre property, about 14 miles outside of Chicago. It's managed by the Chicago Zoological Society.
My favorite part about doing IT at the zoo is the zoo and the people who make it happen. We're not just stuck in an office. I have been behind the scenes and under buildings and in some of the most fascinating, interesting places at the zoo that guests wouldn't normally get to see. So it makes me want to show up every day.
It's definitely been interesting, and there's all kinds of stories. We went just now to visit the Aviary, where we have the parakeets flying. They fly free, and the kids can go in and feed them. And we actually have a wireless AP in the tucked into the ceiling there, and it actually was coming down at one point. And so one of the other help desk people and I had to go in and fix that. Well, the bird, and of course that's their home, they don't leave it. So while we were working on it, they were flying around. And so things like that are super, you can't tell that story anywhere else, right? It's kind of unique to the zoo.
When I have a really frustrating day and that little bit of code doesn't work, I can go outside and I can just watch animals, and I can get in nature and not be in an office.
You can't be, oh, not again, because there's so much going on. There's so many neat events happening at the zoo, and we support a lot of that through IT. So it's different every day, and it's variety, so you can't get bored.
All right, so what a great tour of the zoo that we just had, as well as the interviews. It showed what the IT professionals working here really like to do and why they love working here as well. Well, that means we're ready to get on to our next stop. Let's go ahead and go.